I'm Samiksha and I recently completed my internship as a financial analyst at company UnifiedMentor, and I'm excited to share my experience and how this journey has helped me in shaping my professional growth. If I talk about my learning experience, this internship gave me hands-on exposure to core financial concepts like ratio analysis, forecasting, budgeting, and financial modeling. I got the opportunity to work on real business data and helping prepare performance reports and support key investment decisions. If I talk about my skills which I developed here, that over the course of this internship I sharpened my analytical and Excel skills, worked extensively with tools like MS Excel, Power BI, Tableau, or advanced mathematics and SQL. More importantly, I developed a strong understanding of how financial strategies align with business goals. If I talk about the mentorship for the program, one unique aspect of this internship was that I completed it entirely through self-paced learning, and the video resources provided were incredibly detailed and structured, allowing me to grasp complex financial concepts independently and apply them effectively to the real-world task. This internship has strengthened my passion for finance and analytics, and I now feel more confident stepping into this corporate world and aspire to contribute meaningful in data-driven finance roles. Thank you, Unified Mentor, and everyone who supported me during this amazing journey. Looking forward to what's next.